Hello and welcome back. Into this video I wanted to share this real cool little multi-tool from Leatherman, and it's something that I use all the time whenever I'm working, and it's the Leatherman Rebar multi-tool. And you can see right there that it's a perfect size for your hand. It has good balance and it's made from stainless steel, and right there you got that Leatherman Rebar marked right on it. And the first thing you're gonna notice is those markings, and this thing is 8 inches total. Let's pop that open. And there you get it, that's 8 inches. And next thing is this pliers right there, which is really neat. And then you got those replaceable wire cutters right there. Besides that, you got these neat little clamps right there, or release mechanism that holds all these little tools in place whenever you're using them. So let's try one. They got that serrated blade, and you see the way it snaps. So it pretty much closes up and have that snap in place. And if you wanted to close it back, you press that little release pin right there, clip, and it snaps in place. Okay, so we're just gonna go through all these tools really quick, and I'm just gonna browse through as much as I can. But if you want to find out more, I'll leave a link in below so you can get a detailed description of each one of these tools. So you got that opener, I guess wire stripper, you got that Phillips screwdriver, got the serrated blade that I just showed you, and you got that saw on this side. So I think that's about it. Let's close these back. And over on this next side, you got another knife, and you got some screwdriver, you got another screwdriver, you got a file, and I believe tucked in there's some kind of holder or clip. But that's about it. You got a whole bunch of stuff packed in there. And I think at the back you got a crimper or something like that. And this thing comes in very handy, and of course it's not meant to be a replacement for a dedicated tool, but it's sure worth it to have something like this when you're out there. And make sure you get a case for it, because these things are easy to lose. And this little pouch right here, you can put it through your belt, and it sticks on the side of your pants. So that's about it. I think this thing is well worth it.